Hi, and welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I'll be guiding you through the process of reconciling bank transactions when you don't have invoices or bills within Xero. So we'll start on the dashboard screen and I'll enter my business bank account. I will click on the Reconcile Items box and this will take me through to my bank account. So as I'm not looking to reconcile my transactions against any invoices or bills, what I will instead be looking to do is linking them up with what I know they are relating to and also who they relate to. So for example, on the left side of my screen, I have my account transactions from my bank account. And then on the right side is where I'm going to enter the data for Xero to pick up. So we have fast pay transaction, and this is a spent item, therefore it is a bill. So I know that my contact is called fast pay, therefore I will type in for the who as fast pay. And as you can see, I haven't got fast pay as a contact currently, therefore I will be creating them as a new contact. So I will just type in their full name and then I can click the new contact button, or I can click the tab and it will suggest that it is a new contact. We'll talk about contacts in a later video. And then what it relates to. So this is your account transactions, which again we'll go into later on in another video, but I know that this particular item relates to my IT software. So I can just start typing IT software and it will pull up the relevant account code. You don't have to remember all the account code numbers. You can just search from the description. And then the reason why have I paid this bill? You don't have to provide a description if you don't want, but if you would like this information, you can always do it. You can also add this information at a later date if you wish. If you are a VAT registered company, you then also need to make sure that you have chosen the right VAT rate. And in my case, I am pretending that I am not a VAT company, therefore I will choose no VAT. And then once I'm happy with all of my information in here, I can click OK. You can also add further detail if you would like by clicking the Add Detail section, and you can then see it in a bill or invoice perspective and see if you want to add any more information in here as well. So as you can see, the description it's pulled through is the reference from the actual transaction, and I'm okay with that being a description, so I will leave that as it is. And then I can save transaction, and then I can reconcile. And then that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.